You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Hi, my name is Joanna and I'm thankful for my family and friends.
Hi, my name is Jen and I'm thankful for my friends and family.
Hi, my name is Leo and I'm thankful for my school. Hi, my name is Naomi and thankful for my family and TV. Hi, my name is Sherman and I'm thankful for your family. Hi, my name is